Research Journal, Entry 1. I'm about to embark on one of the great challenges of my scientific career, teaching penny physics. I'm calling it Project Gorilla.
Hey, Sheldon.
Come in, take a seat. Subject has arrived. I've extended a friendly, casual greeting.
Ready to get started?
One moment. Subject appears to be well rested and enthusiastic. All right, let us begin. Where's your notebook?
I don't have one.
Well, how else are you going to take notes?
I'm gonna have to take notes?
Well, how else are you going to study for the test?
There's gonna be a test?
Tests.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, introduction to physics. What is physics? Physics comes from the ancient Greek word physica. It is at this point you want to start taking notes. Physica means the science of all natural things, and it is there in ancient Greece that our story begins.
Ancient Greece?
Hush, if you have a question, raise your hand. Now, it's a warm summer evening, circa 600 BC, and you just finished your shopping at the local shopping mart, or agora. When you look out at the night sky and you realize some of the stars seem to be moving, so you named them Planeteus, or Wanderer. Yes, Penny?
What exactly does this have to do with Leonard's work?
This is the beginning of a 2,600-year journey we are about to take together. From the ancient Greeks to Isaac Newton, to Niels Bohr, to Ernst Schrödinger, to the Dutch research Leonard is currently ripping off.
2,600 years?
Yeah, give or take. Now, as I was saying, it's a warm evening in ancient Greece. Yes, Penny?
I have to go to the bathroom.
Can't you hold it?
Not for 2,600 years.
Project Gorilla, Entry 2. I'm exhausted. Now remember, Newton realized that Aristotle was wrong and force is not necessary to maintain motion. So let's plug in our 9.8 meters per second squared as A, and we get force, Earth's gravity, equals 9.8 seconds per second squared. And we know from this that ma equals mg. And what do we know from this?
We know that Newton was a very smart cookie? Oh, is that where fig Newtons come from?
No, fig Newtons are named after a small town in Massachusetts. Don't write that down.
Sorry.
Now, if ma equals mg, what does this imply?
I don't know.
How can you not know? I just told you. Have you suffered a recent blow to the head?
Hey, you don't have to be so mean.
I'm sorry. Have you suffered a recent blow to the head?
No, you just suck at teaching.
Really, of those two explanations, which one sounds the most likely?
Oh God, Sheldon, look, I'm trying to understand. You're just going too fast. Can you just back up a little bit?
Alright. It's in a warm summer evening.
Not that far back!
Alright, at what point did you start feeling lost?
I don't know. Where were we looking up at the night sky?
Greece.
Damn it!
There's no need to get frustrated. People learn at different rates. Unlike objects falling into a vacuum, which ma equals mg.
Squared?
No.
Aristotle?
No.
5?
Ugh.
I don't know!
Why are you crying?
Because I'm stupid!
That's no reason to cry. People cry because they're sad. For example, I cry because others are stupid and it makes me sad.
Okay, look, can we please just forget about all this extra stuff and can you just tell me what Leonard does?
Okay. Leonard is attempting to learn why subatomic particles move the way they do.
Well, that doesn't sound so complicated.
Of course it isn't. That's why Leonard does it.
Okay, I just have one question. What exactly are subatomic particles?
A good question.
Thank you.
And to answer it, we must first ask ourselves, what is physics?
Oh, balls!
It's a warm, ancient...
Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state that nearly 14 billion years ago expansion started. Wait, the earth began to cool, the autotrophs began to drool, Neanderthals developed tools, we built a wall. We built the pyramids. Math, science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang.